So when is it used? Do you know? Read the equation. X plus 2y equals to 13 and 4x plus 5y equals to 43. Okay? Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this, if we use equation number 1, we can directly find the value of x in terms of 2y. है ना? So it will be easier to use substitution method. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
From equation 1, what will be the value of x?
13 minus
Sir, 13 minus 2y.
And substitute it in equation 2. What do we get? 4 into, in place of x, it is 13 minus 2y, okay, plus 5y equals to 43. It implies 13 4s are 52 minus 4 2s are 8y plus 5y equals to 43. It implies 52 minus 3y equals to 43. It implies minus 3y equals to 43 minus 52. And it implies y equals to minus 3y equals to minus 9. It implies y equals to minus 9 upon minus 3. So y equals to 3. Is that clear to you? And x equals to, from this, 13 minus 2y, that is 13 minus 2 into 3 equals to 13 minus 6 equals to 7. And always write the answer at the end. X equals to 7, y equals to 3. Is that clear to you? Understood everyone? The method of substitution
Yes, sir.
for simultaneous linear equation. So copy it. Copied. Any problem? Are you all copying or not? Why are you not replying? So
Yes, sir, copying.
Pathak ji, Shravanya, have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir, copied.
Good. Satvik, so if you look at the question number 1, it has the similar questions. If not, still, if it is instructed that we have to solve by using method of substitution, then we have to use only that method. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now solve question number 1A. It is 1A. What is the question? X plus y equals to 7 and 5x plus 12y equals to 7. Okay. So how to solve it? Question number 1C, y equals to 4x minus 7. Question number 1 and 16x minus 5y equals to 25. So substituting y equals to, in terms of x, 4x minus 7 from equation 1 in equation 2, we get 16x minus 5 into 4x minus 7 equals to 25. It implies 16x.
Sir, your board is not visible. The sheet is visible.
Board is not visible.
No, sir. The sheet which you were showing, that is visible.
So look at this, y equals to 4x minus 7, equation 1, and 16x minus 5y equals to 25, equation number 2. Is the board visible now?
Yes, sir.
Substituting y equals to 4x minus 7 from equation 1 in equation 2, 16x minus 5 into 4x minus 7 equals to 25. It implies 16x minus 5 4s are 20x minus minus plus 5 7s are 35 equals to 25. It implies 16x minus 20x minus 4x equals to 25 minus 35. It implies minus 4x equals to minus 10. Okay. It implies 4x equals to 10, and it implies x equals to 10 by 4, that is 5 by 2. Okay. So after getting the value of x equals to 5 by 2, we can find the value of y using equation number 1. Y equals to 4x minus 7 equals to 4 into 5 by 2 minus 7. So it is 10 minus 7 equals to 3. So this answer is wrong, is correct. Finally, write both the answers. X equals to 3 and y equals, sorry, x equals to,
Sir, x is equals to 5
these are
upon
the
2 and y
opposite
is
answers. Who has given these answers?
Sir, rhythm. Sir, by mistake, I have done the answer is coming x is equals to 5 upon 2 and y is equals to 3 only.
I have asked you to tell properly first the answer of x and then answer of y.
Okay, sir.
So this method is substitution method. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next method is elimination method, in which one of either x or y is eliminated, okay, by making their coefficients same. And question number 2, in question number 2 we have to solve using this method. Like question number 2a, 7x plus 6y equals to 71. Question number, so we have to use first what? Elimination method. Okay. Are you all there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now, see, it is visible or not?
Sir, it is visible.
Visible.
Board?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So the question number 2a, 7x plus 6y equals to 7x plus 6y equals to 71, है ना? And second, 5x minus 8y equals to minus 23. Okay. So we will use elimination method to solve this. For this, first we take coefficient of x. Look at the coefficient of x. It is 7, है ना? And coefficient of x in second equation is 5. Take the LCM of 7 and 5. So what is the LCM of 7 and 5? As both are prime numbers, so they are LCM by multiplying them, है ना? So it is 7 5s are 35. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So we will multiply equation number 1 by 5 to make this coefficient of x as 35. 7 5s are 35. And multiply equation number 2 by 7 to make this coefficient of x again as 35. Okay. So we write multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 7. We have to write this statement also. So 7 5s are 35x plus multiply full equation with 5. 6 5s are 30y equals to 71 5s are 330 55. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
This is equation number 3. and multiply equation number 2 by 7. 7 5s are 35x minus 8 7s are 56y equals to minus 23. 7s are minus 161. Okay. Now subtract equation number 4 from equation number 3. Subtract means sign of 35x in the equation number 4, which is positive, becomes negative, is considered to be negative on subtracting. Minus 56y becomes plus 56y, and minus 161 becomes plus 161, and we write the reason also. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. Is that clear to you? Any doubt? What you all are doing? Are you solving the sheet when I am discussing this?
No. No.
No, sir.
30. So why are you not replying? 35x 30
Yes.
will be cancelled out. Okay. So cancel it with a light cancellation sign. Cut. Okay. And now 30y and this minus 56y has become plus 56. So 30 plus 56 it is 86y equals to, add these two, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 6 11, 1, carry 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1 5. It implies y equals to 516 upon 86. So 8 6 are 48. So 86 6 must be, if you do it in rough, it is 6. Okay. So y equals to 6. Is that clear to you? Now we use any one of the equation of one or two. So we write from equation number 1, 7x plus 6y equals to 71. It implies value of y we have calculated to be 6. So we write 7x plus 6 into 6 equals to 71. It implies 7x plus 36 equals to 71. It implies 7x equals to 71 minus 36. It implies 7x equals to 35. It implies x equals to 35 by 7 equals to 5. Okay. So the answers are x equals to 5 and y equals to 6. Is that clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in elimination method?
No, sir.
Fusion, any query? Everyone has understood it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
Satvik,
Yes, sir.
Shravanya, x equals to
4
y equals to,
minus 1 upon 2.
and what is equation number 1 in question number 1e? Read equation 1.
3x minus 4y is equal to 20.
Equation 2.
X plus 2y is equal to 5.
So substitute value of x equals to 4 and y equals to minus half to check whether your answer is correct or wrong. So we write 3 into 4 minus 4 into minus half equals to 20. It implies 3 4s are 12 minus minus plus 2 2s are 4 equals to 20, means 14 equals to 20, which is not true, means your answers are wrong. Okay, so solve it again.
Yes.
So why you have not solved it again? Is it very difficult question?
No, sir, I've checked it is correct.
So don't
But
need to
the
check. No need to check. You have to solve it again, then check. Okay? So you will get your mistake. Only that things
okay.
are asked in class in which you have doubt that you are not getting them. You have done some calculation mistake in this, so solve it again. Don't look at this. Don't waste the time. Okay? Turn the page, solve it again.
Okay.
You will find your mistake. Okay? This
Okay,
is
sir.
not too difficult. Any other doubt? Now you have to solve, I have told you till question number 3 today. Okay? Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Look at question number 3A. In this I have given using any method. So which method will you use? Elimination method or substitution method?
Sir, elimination method.
Hmm. Read the question. Question number 3A. Read the question by, where are you? Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
13x plus 11. Why are you not reading the question, Satvik? Read it. Satvik. Satvik, are you there? Shubh. Shubh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Satvik, are you there? Shubh, read the question.
So 7x plus
Question number 3A has no 7x.
sir 13x plus 11y is equal 70. 11x plus 13y is equals 74.
So to solve these types of question in which there is alteration in the coefficients. Is that clear to you? First we add both the equations. Okay, first what to do?